So here we are at the Petty's Garage Warrior Edition F-150 pickup truck. You'll see that we have high performance 20-inch tires, Fox suspension with an extra lift, wheel flares that really blend in nicely with the truck. Special badging that we have as well. And a pretty unique feature, we have electric drop-down running boards. They get illuminated as well. Go up so you have higher ground clearance. If you look in the back, you have custom paint job. This is not striping, this is actually painted right on the vehicle. It's pretty neat. Get our suspension as we go around the vehicle. We have custom etching on the back of the window. Petty's Garage. The exhaust is pretty trick, comes out the side, dual exhaust, MagnaFlow exhaust. The interior, so you notice again, the electric running boards. The interior is a custom leather and suede combination with Warrior Edition etched into both the back of the seat and Petty's Garage etched into the headrests. It's a really, really cool truck. And of course, 750 horsepower that resides under the hood. As you see, Richard has signed every single dash. Amazing vehicle. If you notice behind the wheels, the brake calipers are painted Petty blue. What could be more perfect? It's a custom grille, again with the special Petty logo. If you look up in the windshield, Petty's Garage, the windshield banner going across the top. They'll know when you're coming. The hood also is unique. Not another one like it. Custom designed by Petty's Garage as well, just for the Warrior Edition.